Assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 16th of April 2021 and the day is Friday. So class, in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of addition of numbers which goes up to 1000. Okay, so here I have an example. 216 space 154, and I want to add 158 space 309 in first number. Okay, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे क्लास when we have to add the numbers which goes up to 1000? Yes, Abdullah, you tell me. Very good. First of all, we will write into vertical form, which is 216 space 154, and the second number is 158 space 309. Okay. In second step, we will add one by one, which is started from this side. So 4 4 upper and 9 4 lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So class, in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I have 13. Okay, two-digit number. So I will write the number which is at unit place is 3 and 1 as a carry. Okay, 1 as a carry on the next number. Now for next, which is 5 plus 1. So 6 in total for upper, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 0 for lower. So in total class we have, total क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 6. Okay. Now the next number which is 1 plus 3. Next number is 1 plus 3. 1 for upper and 3 for lower. 1 2 3. So in total class 1 2 3 4. 4. Fine. Next number which is 6 plus 8. 6 for upper and 8 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14. I have two-digit number which is 14. So what is the way to write 14 class? Very good. We will write 4 which is at unit place below 8 and 1 as a carry. 1 as a carry. Now I will add next number which is 1 plus 1, 2 and 5 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. Okay, in total I have 7. For next number which is 2 plus 1 which equals to 3. Which equals to 3. So this is the total in the total class 374 space 4 463. Okay, this is how we can write this total in words. So this is all class which is related to previous concept. Now I am going to solve question number 6. Page number 10. Write the numbers which is A part 200 more than 1 space 25 space 000. 1 space 25 space 000. Okay, so according to this statement यहां से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? I have 1 space 25 space 000. This is my first number and I want to add 200 in it. मुझे कैसे पता चला कि मैंने इसमें एडिशन करनी है? Very good, because there is a word which is more than. So more than का word जब भी यूज होगा और इस तरह आपके पास स्टेटमेंट भी यूज होगा, सो वी कैन टेक एज एडिशन. आप इसको क्या लोगे? एज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ एडिशन. फाइन. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दिस नंबर इनटू वर्टिकल फॉर्म. फाइन क्लास. Digit below 5, so that's why it is the rule of addition of numbers. When there is no number below the number, we can write the same number that we have in the upper. Fine. Now 2 is also as it is and 1 is also as it is. In total I have 1 space 25 space 000. Fine. Now the next part, thousand more than 200,000. Okay, 1000 more than 200,000. Okay class, B part, I have 1000 more than 200, 2000. So what is meant by more than? जब भी वर्ड यूज होता है more than का, तो हम उसको क्या लेते हैं? Very good, we can take as addition. We can take as addition. Now I am going to write my number is 200,000 इन वर्टिकल फॉर्म, ऐसे ही होगा। ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व वन बाय वन विच इज 0 प्लस 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0. Now moving towards next which is 0 plus 1, which is 1. Fine. 0 में जब भी हम 1 ऐड करते हैं, 0 में जब भी कोई हम नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो जो नंबर ऐड करते हैं वो एज इट इज आ जाता है, ठीक है। I am repeating my words again. Just listen to me very carefully. जब भी हमारे पास 2 digits होंगे और हमने उनका एडिशन करना होगा, और अगर फर्स्ट प्लेस पर हमारे पास 0 होगा एंड सेकंड जो नंबर है उस पे हमारे पास नॉन जीरो होगा, मींस 0 के अलावा कोई होगा, तो जब हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे सो वी गेट द सेम नंबर विच वी विल ऐड which is non-zero, ठीक है। जो non-zero नहीं होगा, जो 0 में हम ऐड करेंगे वो नंबर एज इट इज आ जाएगा। इसी तरह 0 plus 1 है, 1 non-zero है, हम 1 ऐड कर रहे हैं, so 1 as it is. Now this 0 as it is and this 2 as it is because there is not any numbers below 20. Fine? Is it clear, class? So I'm going to read this total in words as 201,000. 201,000. Thousand. Fine? 1000. Okay. Now class, question number 6 C part. 900 more than 460 space 100. 460 space 100. अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग इसमें? Who will tell me? Okay. Yes, Sadeem, you tell me. Fine. We will add both the numbers. So I will write first 460 space 100. Fine. And what is my second number? Very good. 900. 900. Now I am going to solve one by one, which is 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Fine. Now my next number is 0 plus 0 again. 0 में हम कुछ भी ऐड करते हैं तो अगर हमारे पास जो दूसरा नंबर है वो नॉन जीरो होगा, सो इट्स मीन नॉन जीरो आ जाएगा। बट यहाँ पर क्या है, 0 plus 0 which is 0 in total, so we will write as it is. Fine. In next we have 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे क्लास? We have 1 for upper and 9 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 10. We have 10 in total, 2-digit number. So we will write, as I told you class, carry. ठीक है, we can write as carry. Now the next is 0 plus 1, which is 1. 6 as it is, because there is not any digit below 6. So we can write 6 as it is, and 4 also. Fine class. So this is how we can write 461,000. 461,000. Now I am going to write in words. 461,000. Fine class. 461,000. Clear है ये सबको? How we can write and read numbers which goes up to 1000. Now D part, I have 400 more than 509 space 600. Okay. So first of all I will write number as it is 509 space 600 and the number which I want to add in it, which is 400. Fine class? Okay. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 6 plus 4 is 6 4 upper, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 4 4 lower. So in total I have 10, which is 2-digit number. So I will write 0 because I told you when we have 2 digit in total. So it is the rule of addition when we have 2 digit, when we solve addition of numbers. So we just write the unit place value down the number, okay, and the tens place value we will write as a carry. Fine. Now 1 as a carry. For next I have 9 plus 1, which is 10. 10 in total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 हो गया. So again 10. So I will write unit place value, which is 0 and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now 0 plus 1 is 1 and 5 as it is, because there is no any digit below 5. So in total I have 510,000. 510,000. Okay class? So this is how we can solve numbers which goes up to 1000. Fine. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Happy learning class. Allah Hafiz.